Hey, how's it going? My name's Jon MacLennan. Thanks so much for joining me in my studio today. I wanted to do a quick speaker cable shootout. I was at NAMM 2016 doing some work for Fishman and had ran into some friends of mine over at Asterope Cable, and Dariush Rad had given me a speaker cable and said, you got to check this thing out. So I figured I would do a demo today in my studio and let you hear what I'm hearing. I do a lot of different recording for a lot of clients, and transparency and quality and clarity is really a top concern for me. So anyways, you check out this cable. One of the things I love about it is its unidirectional design, and you'll see that it actually has signal flow so that you're always using the cable the same way. But let's take a listen to some sounds.